Hey everyone, I'm working on this 2018 F150. Now it came in with no running lights or parking lights in the back, the rear only. The front was working, not the back. I know a lot of times whenever you check the lights on the back, ends up being one of the connectors are corroded, the wiring's corroded, a bad ground on either side of the frame in the back. But sometimes that's not always the issue. Whenever I checked all those things, I made sure all the ground, all the wiring was good on the back. I came up front and I started looking around, and I found what you could tell was where mice have been eating through the wires. And I'll show you some pictures, some still pictures of what it looked like. If you don't want to buy a wiring harness, then you can just start splicing the wires into, they get so close to the connector here, you know, they bite right up close to where you can't get a butt connector in there. I couldn't find the terminal pins in order to replace it, and so I basically just counted upward to see what number wire it was and made sure it was the same number over here, same color coded, and then trimmed it back a little bit and then just basically bypassed the connector. Now this one happened to have the air temperature sensor wire. I got 8 on also, so I repaired it on this side, and then luckily it didn't go through all the way right there. They just got to the insulation, so I put a little bit of tape on there to protect it. But if you look right back there, I'll turn on the parking lights and you can see now the parking lights are working. So it's not always the ground in the back that's the issue. If it doesn't fix it in the back, then look other places on the truck. Now you can basically follow this wiring up and over the fuel tank and all the way up the frame, right up behind the fender well right there, and right up into this plug. And this plug right here, this lighter gray one, is the one that runs to the rear tail light. So if any of those are 8, you could also check the power on these. Blue and white one, and then there's an orange and white, and then a green and brown. And so I'm not sure which one's which, but those are the 3 that were 8 by a mouse, and I reconnected them, and now the brake lights or the tail lights are working. So just check that before you go too much further. If you can't figure it out on the back, then check that out and go from there. But anyways guys, thanks for watching the video today. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me, like it, share it, let me know what you think in the comments. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching again, everyone.